Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the spookiest and most fascinating aspects of this eerie holiday. I'm your host, and today, we're going to uncover some of Halloween's dark secrets. So grab your broomstick, put on your favorite costume, and let's get started. Number 1. The History of Halloween. Host, with visuals of historical Halloween imagery. Halloween, or All Hallows' Eve, has a rich history dating back over 2,000 years. It's a time when the boundaries between the living and the dead blur. We'll explore the origins of this spooky tradition and how it's evolved over time. Number 2. Creepy costume ideas. Host, in a costume shop or at a costume party, no Halloween is complete without a hauntingly good costume. We'll share some creative, DIY costume ideas that will leave everyone in awe at your next Halloween gathering. Number 3. The Haunted Places of Halloween. If you're looking for a spine-tingling experience, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore some of the most haunted places in the world, perfect for a Halloween thrill. 4. Halloween traditions around the globe. Halloween isn't just an American holiday. We'll take you on a tour around the world to discover unique Halloween traditions and celebrations in different countries. 5. Pumpkin Carving Masterclass. What's Halloween without jack-o'-lanterns? We'll show you some pro tips and tricks for creating the most jaw-dropping pumpkin carvings. Get ready to impress your neighbors. 6. Ghost Stories and Urban Legends. Gather round, it's time for some spine-chilling ghost stories and urban legends. These tales will send shivers down your spine, so get ready for a scare. 7. Trick or treat safety tips. Of course, Halloween is all about the treats. We'll discuss important safety tips for both parents and children to ensure a spooktacular but safe night. That wraps up our exploration of Halloween's dark secrets. We hope you've enjoyed the journey through this fascinating holiday. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs